think I'm just gonna check up on.
We think your idea sucks! Huh? Isn't it obvious? We wanted to bait you into testing your new ideas so we can make fun of them behind your back.
That's not true.
Yes, it is!
Bruh.
You're a horrible host! You don't care about us at all! You care more about stroking your own ego than giving us anything we'd actually enjoy!
Bruh.
Oh, I am.
Yeah, you're a failure! You're all gonna abstract someday, and what will you have then? Nothing.
And this whole stunt? Just torturing us because we hurt your feelings? Pathetic! You're a child! What kind of all-powerful being has such a fragile ego?
You never let us feel like we're at home. You don't comfort anyone when they're upset, and you never bother to understand what it's like in our shoes.
You discourage us from thinking outside the box and doing things our own way.
You lie to us constantly!
And on top of it all, you just don't listen!
I'm gonna put you freaks in your place. Why do you people torment me? I didn't have to be created. I just wanted to fulfill my purpose. Wait.
I can't believe I deleted it! Oh my god! Oh my god! I fucking deleted it! Oh my god! Help me! Help me! Help me, God! Oh my god! I deleted it! Oh my god! I fucking deleted it! No! How do I get it back? Oh god! How do I get it back? How do I get it back? Oh my god! I fucked myself in the ass! I can't believe I deleted it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god, help me! Oh god, help me! Oh god, help me!